good, people? So, um, like I said, man, I do this shit like every day. So I had a quick, I don't want to say quick word because I'll probably be back. I'm not just gonna do these type of videos, but I like these type of videos because this is me speaking straight about the Creator, from the spirit to the dome to y'all or to me. But I've been talking about this with Pop for like the past 2 weeks. But you know how like you go to a restaurant and like the waiter or the waitress comes over and asks you, obviously what you want to drink or what you want to eat and stuff like that. So that's basically like what life is. So Pop is, he's a chef, he's the waiter, he's all of that. So while he's getting your meal together, you can get appetizers. You know what I'm saying? You can get you water. You can look at the menu. You can talk. You be on your phone. You can enjoy the time you are with yourself or whoever you're with. So it's that circumstance. So it's the same thing with us. Like I said in one of my videos before, Pop puts this in a box. He puts this in you know what a box is. He puts this in a box. So you cannot change your circumstances. You can't change your situation, but you can change the way you view yourself. You can change your energy, your vibration, your frequency. You can decide to do better. You know what I'm saying? So during that time where he's cooking up, basically, like say you want to be a rapper or a fucking YouTuber, and then you doing YouTube videos, right? But then like the first week, because people are impatient, so you do a YouTube video and then you think you keep trying to, especially if you're trying to get paid for it, but you get what I'm saying, it's an analogy. Then you put up a video, then you keep going back every 5 seconds to see how many views you got, and then you start getting discouraged and stuff. It's like, no, I learned this stuff. So now you have to, yeah, that's fine. It's time. Everything is time. It's a season. You might want to go swimming right now, but it's not hot. The summer just passed, so wait for the summer. Wait for the season. So what I'm saying is, while Pop is cooking up, you know what I'm saying? While he cooking up, don't stop going in the kitchen asking him, is he almost done? You know what I'm saying? You ask for something. He know what you're asking. Stop changing up your meal. Stop getting frustrated. Go and get some appetizers. Go and do something else during the time he's cooking up. You did what I'm saying? So that's what I wanted to say. Stay on the path, man. Stay walking. People throw up like the I got this damn iPad. Hold up. But like, you know what I'm saying, people do this and do all this. People don't understand, from like, this is the spirit. This is Pop. You know what I'm saying? It's a triangle. But it's really not a triangle. You see it on the dollar too. It's like a road. If you really look, the same thing with the lights at your the street lights. The further away you get from the street lights, the further you can't see it in your periphery. Like, you can barely see it. It's not that it went away, it's that you went far away from it. You know what I'm saying? So the triangle for me is like spirit world is Pop. It's the foundation source. But anyway, get back to that. Remember to Pop is cooking up. So while he cooking up, stop going in the kitchen asking him. You know what I'm saying? See what you have to do to get yourself right while he's cooking up for that meal. That's what you want to do. Get right while he's cooking up your meal. Get right while he's cooking up your meal. Stop going in the kitchen asking him, is he almost done? All right? Y'all niggas be great. Have a great day. All love. All praises, Papa.